So what happens if somebody copies your invention? Hi, I'm JD Hoovener, patent attorney, owner here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm excited to be with you here today. I've helped hundreds of inventors with getting patents granted over the past 10 years of practicing law. I've also written Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. And I encourage you to click the link below. It's our Bold Inventor Kit. It's got a full copy of that PDF that just got published a few years ago, as well as a great couple handouts on patent searching and patent application drafting. This question is really important about what happens if somebody infringes? What happens if somebody totally rips off my invention, and even while it's still pending? Great question here, and this is something that does cross the mind of almost all of our clients as they prepare for the patent process. The first answer I'll say is you can still win the battle, meaning you can still be first to market. So if there's time, and you've got the ability financially, while you're getting the patent granted, you can begin to sell, offer to sell, make a website, build a product, start your company right now. In fact, that's what we encourage inventors and clients to do, is to get out there and sell the product as soon as possible. This will inevitably wake up competitors, and you will probably start to see knockoff products or even direct ripoffs of your product being sold by other competitors. When you see this, the first thing you do is send a notice letter. We send these. You can hire patent litigators. We have a really nice referral deck of awesome litigation firms that do focus on federal litigation, including patents and trademarks. They will also send a letter on your behalf. What the letter says is, hey, we're in the process of getting a patent on this exact topic. We believe when we get the patent granted, and it will, by around this time frame, you will be infringing and have the legal obligation to cease the ability to use, make, or sell this invention. So you're being put on actual notice of our pending patent rights. If you do not cease, meaning stop the production, stop making or testing or selling the product, you will be liable for triple damages in later litigation. So that is what's called a notice letter. Now, sometimes companies will ignore that, right? They won't even respond to it. But what that does, it sets you up very well for threatening just that. What's called triple damages when your product hits the market, when your patent gets granted. On top of that, what are some things you can do? Well, you can take a look at how they're selling their product, how they're using the branding. Now, brand protection is separate, of course, from patents, but you can move forward with registering a brand, a trademark, either a word mark or a design logo, to help sort of bolster your overall intellectual property portfolio and create that separation, that differentiation you're looking for, even though they're ripping off your product. You can create your brand even though they're ripping you off and causing this harm. You can still create that independent brand and start to develop that niche with your customer base. On top of all that, the additional benefits of having been in the market while your patent is pending is you're able to learn about the product, learn about what customers like, and how to make version 2, how to make those subtle improvements so you can file what's called a child patent application or follow-on patents on new inventions that will serve your clients even better. So don't be discouraged by infringement. It's actually something you should be flattered about, right? Those that imitation, those that are trying to copy you, they see the huge potential in the market just like you did. They're just taking shortcuts, illegal shortcuts to undercut your rights. Don't let them do that. Use your patent attorney, hire a litigator as needed to send letters, and eventually work toward getting your patent portfolio granted. That will give you that huge benefit to put them out of business or force them to pay you a royalty every single time their product sells. So have a great day, everybody. Hope this was insightful. We'll catch you next time. Click the link below to get your copy of the Bold Ideas book, PDF, and guides handout on the Bold Inventor Kit. I'm JD Hoovener. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye. Go big, go bold.